Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your blockchain wallet from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your blockchain wallet from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in blockchain.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for blockchain login like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And you can see on the first result of Google there is the blockchain's official site. Click over there and you can see both of these websites are same. One was from the Google and one was from the website itself. So let's choose one of these. Now to log into your blockchain wallet, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click over there where it says login, or if you have not yet created an account on blockchain, you can see the sign up option available over here. Click on sign up to go through a procedure to register an account on blockchain itself. Now let's go to our login page by clicking on login, and on this page you will be required to enter your email or your wallet ID over here if you know your wallet ID, but I will be going with my email itself. And after entering your email or your wallet ID, click on continue, and now you can see you'll be required to verify your device by clicking on the verification mail sent by the blockchain itself. To do that, let's go to our email, and at the top you can see there is the verification link sent from the blockchain itself. Now let's click on confirm device, and it has been confirmed, you can see, and let's go. And on this page you can see after we had verified our device, it was automatically redirected to the password page. Now let's enter our password and click on login. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our blockchain wallet from our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.